In the dynamic landscape of business management, having clear visibility into your financial health and operational efficiency is non-negotiable. This is where robust accounting software like Sage Intacct shines, offering a powerful suite of tools to track, analyze, and report on critical business data. A cornerstone of this capability lies in its comprehensive reporting features. For anyone looking to truly understand their business performance through Sage Intacct, grasping the fundamental types of reports available is the first crucial step. While Sage Intacct offers a vast array of customizable reports and analytical tools, they can be broadly categorized into three primary types: financial reports, operational reports, and custom reports. Each category serves a distinct purpose, providing different perspectives on your business data and catering to various analytical needs. Let's delve into each of these types to understand their significance and the insights they can offer. 1. Financial reports, the pulse of your business. Financial reports are the bedrock of understanding your company's financial standing and performance. They provide a structured overview of your assets, liabilities, equity, revenues, and expenses. These reports are essential for compliance, decision-making, and communicating with stakeholders such as investors and lenders. Sage Intacct offers a comprehensive set of standard financial reports, which can be further customized to meet specific requirements. The three most fundamental financial reports you'll encounter are balance sheet, often referred to as the statement of financial position. The balance sheet provides a snapshot of your company's assets, liabilities, and equity at a specific point in time. Think of it as a photograph of your company's financial health on a particular day. Assets, what your company owns, e.g., cash, accounts receivable, inventory, equipment. Liabilities, what your company owes to others, e.g., accounts payable, loans, deferred revenue. Equity, the owner's stake in the company, the difference between assets and liabilities. The fundamental accounting equation that underpins the balance sheet is assets equals liabilities plus equity. Analyzing the balance sheet helps you understand your company's liquidity, ability to meet short-term obligations, solvency, ability to meet long-term obligations, and overall financial stability. For instance, tracking changes in accounts receivable can highlight the efficiency of your collection process, while monitoring debt levels can indicate potential financial risks. 1. TheSmartUpstart.com. TheSmartUpstart.com. Income statement, also known as the profit and loss (P&L) statement. The income statement summarizes your company's revenues, costs, and expenses over a specific period, e.g., a month, a quarter, or a year. It reveals whether your company has generated a profit or incurred a loss during that period. Revenue, the income generated from your primary business activities, e.g., sales of goods or services. Cost of goods sold, COGS, the direct costs associated with producing the goods or services sold. Gross profit, revenue minus COGS, representing the profit before operating expenses. Operating expenses, costs incurred in the normal course of business operations, e.g., salaries, rent, utilities, marketing. Net income, or net loss, the bottom line, calculated as gross profit minus operating expenses, and potentially other income or expenses like interest. The income statement provides crucial insights into your company's profitability and operational efficiency. By analyzing trends in revenue, COGS, and operating expenses, you can identify areas for improvement and make informed decisions about pricing, cost control, and resource allocation. For example, a consistent increase in operating expenses as a percentage of revenue might signal the need to review spending. Statement of cash flows. This report tracks the movement of cash both into and out of your company over a specific period. Unlike the income statement, which can include non-cash items like depreciation, the statement of cash flows focuses solely on actual cash transactions. Categorizes cash flows into three main activities. Operating activities, cash flows generated from the normal day-to-day running of your business, e.g., cash received from customers, cash paid to suppliers and employees. Investing activities, cash flows related to the purchase and sale of long-term assets, e.g., buying or selling equipment, property, or investments. Financing activities, cash flows related to debt and equity financing, e.g., borrowing or repaying loans, issuing or repurchasing stock. The statement of cash flows provides a vital understanding of your company's liquidity and its ability to generate cash. It helps to reconcile the net income reported on the income statement with the actual cash position and can reveal potential cash flow issues even when the company appears profitable on paper. For instance, a negative cash flow from operating activities despite a positive net income might indicate problems with managing working capital. 2. Operational reports, drilling down into performance. While financial reports provide a high-level overview of your company's financial health, operational reports delve deeper into the performance of specific areas or processes within your organization. These reports are crucial for managers and team leaders to monitor efficiency, identify bottlenecks, and make data-driven decisions to improve operations. The types of operational reports available in Sage Intacct can vary depending on your industry and the modules you have implemented, but some common examples include sales reports. These reports provide detailed insights into your sales performance, such as sales by product, customer, region, or salesperson. They can help you identify top-performing products or customers, track sales trends, and evaluate the effectiveness of your sales strategies. For example, a sales report might reveal that a particular product line is experiencing declining sales, prompting a review of marketing efforts or product features.